What all do you... Can you hear this? Can you hear this? What's recording? What's recording? I can't see nothing. Did you hear that change? You're boring. That says it's red. But I don't know what that's listening to. I'm not even in tune. I don't know what's going on. Can you even hear my voice? It says you can. What happened? Can you hear my voice? This needs to be that. Good. This needs to be. I can't see. One of these gonna be my boy. I don't know which one my. It will help if I put on the microphone. This is the inaugural recording. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, you got it. We don't need none of this default bull crap. Move this over here. I wanna have that one. I'm gonna need more space, so I put this over. That's an orange amplification. And this is the second take of this video, so forgive me if I'm not explaining what I'm doing. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out together. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. But let's get the guitar sound off good first, and then we'll talk a little bit, okay? So this is 1992 or 1993, made in Mexico, Fender Strat. I've had many guitars over the years. I have sold many guitars over the years. I have not sold this one. I have not let anybody set this up other than the first time I had this pickup put in a long time ago. Nobody else has touched this guitar since. It's mine. Don't touch it. Her name is Georgia. I didn't name her until I almost lost her. And I named her after the state that saved me. And a woman who saved me too, even though she didn't like me. I loved her. Not like that. She was my boss at work. I had a lot of bosses at work. But I liked her. She taught me a lot. But Georgia is a state that took us in during the hurricane. The hurricane didn't do nothing to where I lived. The hotel I went to when we evacuated, the damn lobby ceiling collapsed. But my house and the whole complex where I live was just fine. So, perspective. That's all I gotta say there. So yeah, this was the Helix default patch. I'm sorry, I've got that screen to screen, got a whole lot of screens, but I can't see. My glasses will be here in 2 weeks, and I hopefully will be able to see a little better. I hope you can hear me. The levels look good. How about I make myself a bit louder? We might get some feedback with that, okay? We'll address it as it comes. I hope this is working. So this is just a video showing you what I do when I do what I do, which isn't much. I just come in here and have a good time, mostly with my guitar and various keyboards and such. Uh-oh, they coming in. We being invaded by the eldest. He's not gonna show his voice on the camera though. He's scared. He won't even make a noise. Quiet. Let's see how long he stays.
Come here.
He actually made a noise and he's asking me to do something. What you want? Come there to do what? You being recorded, so be careful what you say.
Oh no. You said that you judge us?
I'd judge you every minute of your life, boy.
Yeah. All of us though.
How long were you actually doing it for? That was a while, because I have got nothing actually accomplished in this time, but I've learned a little. I'm gonna hit stop and see if this was successful and see what happens. But how long were you in there?
I have absolutely no idea. I made like...
Shh, don't spoil it. Everybody's happy with their submissions, not like you're done and you want to force everybody's ready to be judged.
Aria's unicorn is done.
Shh, I don't want to know who made what.
Aria, you already said that Aria was going to make a unicorn. Aria already said that she was going to make a unicorn.
But she could have changed her mind.
She did though.
She changed her mind?
No. Avery's never happy with what he has, so we just have to take it or leave it. So, come here.
Eyes being called elsewhere. I see y'all soon. I hope this worked. Fingers crossed. You won't know if it didn't.